Okay, so as I've been researching artificial intelligence, I read within the book that artificial intelligence is basically anything that can gain knowledge or accomplish goals on its own individually. So um, I then went to a couple different websites to research um, artificial intelligence, and I found a list of careers that use artificial intelligence, and one that I didn't think about was the medical field. And people use artificial intelligence to be able to read the medical images or receive a diagnosis that was taken from artificial intelligence or taken with artificial intelligence. Also, the design of drugs that are administered as well. um, Obviously, things like robotics. And then information management, and I felt like information management could apply to a lot of different careers. For example, I work in a law office. I mean, information management can include web crawling, email filtering, stuff like that. And I know that the attorney that I help within her office could really use something like that. So that was interesting to me. And then obviously space exploration as well. The Mars rover, it discovers and does things on its own, which I thought was pretty interesting as well. I think it's a pretty practical idea. We just have to be careful. Obviously, any new development has its dangers or has its downsides, and I think artificial intelligence could possibly reduce the amount of jobs that are available to people. So we would need to create the same amount of jobs that we would eliminate with artificial intelligence, if that makes sense. For example, if my job is to organize information for my attorney, as it is, and she got a robot to do that for her, I would lose my job. I would need to go find a job within artificial intelligence that I could that would replace the job that I lost, basically. So I think that's the one downside to artificial intelligence. The two sources that I used were just the book for the class, and then a website called EDUCBA. And then the page is called Careers in Artificial Intelligence. And this website is basically a science data blog. And there's no listed author. However, I believe it's written by a team of bloggers. Anyways, that was the website that I used.